Good evening, it's 7:45 in Hamburg and we're about to get on a train. Not a normal train, not Deutsche Bahn. We are going on the night train to Vienna. Bunk beds for Azek. Breakfast is here. Here's all the trains and we are gonna be taking off from this Gleis here in about 20 minutes. So let's go pick out some food. Long trip, we're gonna need a big water bottle. So we are waiting for our train. There's still 3 trains left before ours is here, but it's pretty busy, it's pretty packed. So we are here with Jana. She's coming to Vienna with us. We are going together on a little influencer trip. And we have 5 more minutes till the train is here. There's our train! And we gotta go find our spot. So we had to race for our train. And we got a little bit stressed. We're here.
Okay, I have to just check. Okay.
All the way to the back. We just got into our room and it's super cute. Very cozy, but look. We have bunk beds, top and bottom. Little seating area. A little goodie bag with house shoe, towels, water, face mask. And we can select our Frühstück. I think I'll have some Speise. Ooh, Sonnenschinken. The Frühstück has improved. Water. And what's best is a toilet. Hello! We are making the bed into a couch. Like this. It's a great couch. Was it like that? That seems like one back. Where's the other? All in our cabin. We haven't decided yet who's taking top or bottom bunk. Maybe it'll be nice. Just kidding. I'm to order some wine because we need that to last the next 8 hours. Ding! Are on and we are ready. Does the charger work?
I have to get rid of the...
Oh. So on the bottom there's a window, which you can't see anything out of. On the top there's no window, which is a bit sad because it's like my dreams. If I'm gonna sleep on in a train, I want to look out the window and gaze into the villages. This is not our cabin, but this is like maybe a first class cabin. You have more space here, front, bottom, and you have a shower. So much nicer. Where should we do the cabin? Should we do it green or no? Blue, yellow, red? No, I think blue. Green? Yeah. Have our breakfast menu here. We're going to order our breakfast now. So I'm going to take 1 cup of coffee, orange juice because we need that sugar hit in the morning. 2 bread rolls. I can order 6 things. 1 smoked turkey breast, fresh cheese with herbs and garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 1 thing left. Already ran out of things. Some marmalade. What did Jana, my German friend, pack for the train trip? Salted caramel. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be sweet.
Healthy snacks.
Mango.
Very healthy English shots.
We are not getting a cold on this trip. Christmas cookies. Those are healthy. And a Coke.
That's it.
Got crackers, chocolate, raisins, and cookies. In the goodie bag, we already took out the slippers. What else do we have in here? We have a night mask. We have a face cloth. Another bottle of water. And earplugs. This is good. Maybe Jana snores. More snacks. And a pen, which I needed 5 minutes ago. Cool. Oh, we have Sekt for free. This is so nice. Thank you. Poured our Sekt and we are cheersing to a trip. Oh, we are double contenting now. Cheers. Cheers. I have the bottom bunk on the way there. We're all tucked in. The duvet is super cozy. I'm gonna be really comfortable. So hopefully I'll sleep about 6 or 7 hours. We'll see you at breakfast and eventually in Vienna. Good night. How did you sleep?
Yeah. Okay.
It's the morning now and we're decided we're gonna shower, and we found a shower in our cabin. So we were looking for a shower and we couldn't find a shower, so we'll just make do with our private toilet. It's just kind of hidden. So there's a toilet. It's like a camper van. Here's a shower. So we'll see you afterwards. So we showered on a train. It was a bit shaky in there. There's like a pool, but it was warm and nice, especially after the long sleep, a long time in that bed. My back was really sore and I was like, with the warm water. Approved. Half approved. Breakfast is here. Dankeschön. Breakfast is served. We have turkey breast, Brötchen, Orangensaft, coffee. This is included in this cabin. I think it's a bit nicer than the other breakfasts in the other cabins. But you can also order extra things like cappuccino, but that's an extra cost. So let's enjoy. Breakfast, having coffee, chatting. Got like 30 more minutes until we're there. We're kind of tired. Sleeping was pretty good. A little bit shaky, but we're surviving. So we are done our train trip. What did you think?
About the train?
Yeah.
It was good. A little bit tired, but
We didn't sleep so well, but definitely better than sleeping in like a seat on a train.
definitely.
And I think it was super cozy either way. But definitely do it with a friend, not a random person, because I would be a little too tight. We are just arriving in the Vienna Hauptbahnhof. If you like this video, make sure to follow, subscribe, give it a like, give it a comment. I make videos about living in Germany, travel, living in Hamburg, and other fun stuff. But yeah, we hope you enjoyed the ride on the OBB NightJet with us. We certainly did, and we'll see you in the next video.